Hello and welcome back to our brand new video. I would like to thank you all our new subscriber. Thank you very much. And to all of our old boys and girls who are watching the channel and watching my videos. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for all your support and all your comments. In this video today we're gonna work on MG corgi toy. It's an MG GT one. We have opening doors, interior, it is all there with the folding seats, which I think they do work. Yeah, they does. Yeah, we got a back door open. Screen is there, obviously needs a good polish. Not visible cracks, just one little one here, over here. Don't know if you can see it, but we'll see how it comes out after the polish. Missing headlights, dual headlights. We got part of the bumper missing, but again our friend JB Welder gonna help us here. So yeah, tires needs to be changed. Looks like back suspension is broken as well, so yeah, definitely broken. Front one as well. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is what is about today. I'll crack this one open. If I find anything interesting inside, I'll come back with the updates. If not, I'll just put in the stripper and come back with the final product, guys. As I said, there's no point getting this video long. I'll try to keep them as short as possible, so I'm not gonna bother you with details. If any of you needed more detailed videos and any details about the things, feel free to drop a comment, and I will be more than happy to answer to you. And I can make a video or whatever to show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. If I can help, I will be more than happy to help and to answer all of your comment, guys. So yeah, I will see you later. Hello guys, and welcome back to our final video. This is our MG GT corgi toy. We did sorry about the shaking camera. As you know, and as you see in the when we start with, he was having missing headlights, missing part of the bumper, broken suspension front and back. So we didn't do much on it. We just replaced the headlights, did fix the missing bumper, polish a little bit the rims, put brand new tires on it because they was missing, and yeah, not much. Painted yellow with black, metallic black. In the interior we didn't do much, just clean it. So is everything the same? Just a little bit of details, as I said. Bumper chromed, front grille, and pretty much that's it, guys. too much. Yeah, this is what it is, guys, from our MGGT. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you to all my new subscribers and to the old ones. Thank you for all the support, guys. And as we are back now, I will see you shortly and with a new video, guys. So stay tuned. If you didn't subscribe by now, please subscribe and come back for more videos. Thank you and bye for now.